Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your grammar knowledge to the test with a tricky Spot the Mistakes quiz, 45 MCQs to see if you can catch all the errors. Think you're up for the challenge? Let's get started. 1. Choose the correct sentence. I was reading when he called. Tips: use the past tense called to show a later action. 2. Choose the correct sentence. We have been waiting for an hour. Tips: use have with plural subjects like we. 3. Choose the correct sentence. The book is lying on the table. Tips: lying is the correct form of lie, to recline. 4. Choose the correct sentence. He was too tired to go to the party. Tips: use the base form of the verb after to. 5. Choose the correct sentence. They finished the project yesterday. Tips: use the simple past tense for actions completed in the past. 6. Choose the correct sentence. She speaks English very well. Tips: use the correct form of the verb for third person singular. 7. Choose the correct sentence. The children were playing outside. Tips: use were with plural subjects like children. 8. Choose the correct sentence. I have never seen such a beautiful place. Tips: have is used for actions at an unspecified time. 9. Choose the correct sentence. There are too many people in the room. Tips: people is plural, so use are in many. 10. Choose the correct sentence. I prefer coffee to tea. Tips: prefer is followed by to when comparing two things. 11. Choose the correct sentence. She visited Paris last summer. Tips: use the simple past tense when referring to a specific time in the past. 12. Choose the correct sentence. He asked me if I could help him. Tips: use the past tense could after reporting a past question. 13. Choose the correct sentence. She is smarter than her brother. Tips: smarter is the correct comparative form of smart. 14. Choose the correct sentence. They don't want to go to the movies. Tips: use don't for plural subjects like they. 15th. Choose the correct sentence. He has been playing football for 3 hours. Tips: use for with a period of time, for example, hours, days. 16. Choose the correct sentence. She is interested in learning new languages. Tips: interested in is the correct phrase. 17. Choose the correct sentence. I didn't know the answer. Tips: use the base form of the verb after didn't. 18. Choose the correct sentence. I will go to the market if it rains. Tips: use the present tense after if for future conditional sentences. 19. Choose the correct sentence. The teacher explained that the student was absent. Tips: use the correct verb form based on the singular subject student. 20. Choose the correct sentence. She was so tired that she could hardly speak. Tips: use could for past ability or possibility. 21. Which sentence is incorrect? She didn't went to the store. Tips: after did, always use the base form of the verb. 22. Which sentence contains a mistake? I am knowing the answer. Tips: know is a stative verb and isn't used in continuous form. 23. Identify the incorrect sentence. He suggested me to go there. Tips: suggest is not followed by an object pronoun plus infinitive. 24th. Which sentence has a grammar mistake? She's married with a doctor. Tips: married takes to, not with. 25. Which sentence has a mistake? If I was you, I would study more. Tips: in conditional sentences, use were instead of was. 26. Spot the mistake in the sentence? She didn't used to like coffee. Tips: after did, always use the base form of the verb. 27. Which sentence is incorrect? I look forward to meet you. Tips: look forward to is followed by a gerund, not an infinitive. 28. Which sentence has an error? She explained me the problem. Tips: explain is not followed by an object pronoun without to. 29. Find the incorrect sentence? The news are interesting. Tips: news is an uncountable noun, so it takes singular verbs. 30. Which sentence has a mistake? I prefer tea than coffee. Tips: prefer is followed by to, not then. 31. Identify the incorrect sentence? We discussed about the problem. Tips: discuss is not followed by about. 32. Which sentence has incorrect word order? Rarely she goes out at night. Tips: after negative adverbs like rarely, use inversion. 33. Which sentence is grammatically incorrect? He told that he was tired. Tips: tell requires an object before that. 34. Spot the mistake in the sentence? She is too much tired. Tips: too much is not used before adjectives. 35. Find the incorrect sentence? My friend gave me a good advice. Tips: advice is an uncountable noun and doesn't take a. 36. Which sentence has an error? He didn't reply my email. Tips: reply requires to before the object. 37. Which sentence is incorrect? I made a research on this topic. Tips: research is uncountable and is not used with a. 38. Spot the mistake in the sentence? She wants that you come early. Tips: want is followed by an object plus infinitive, not that. 39. Which sentence has an error? I will call you when I will arrive. Tips: in future time clauses, use the present tense after when. 40. Identify the incorrect sentence? I need some informations. Tips: information is uncountable and has no plural form. 41. Which sentence contains an error? He is married with an Italian. Tips: married takes to, not with. 42. Which sentence has incorrect tense usage? I wish I was taller. Tips: use were instead of was in hypothetical wishes. 43. Which sentence is incorrect? She said me to wait. Tips: say is not followed by an object plus infinitive. Use tell. 44. Spot the mistake in the sentence? I'm looking forward to meet you. Tips: look forward to is followed by a gerund, not an infinitive. 45. Which sentence contains a mistake? I have a good news. Tips: news is uncountable and doesn't take a. How many mistakes did you spot? Let us know your score in the comments, hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more fun English quizzes. Keep sharpening those skills. See you next time.